Stop scrolling. If you want the best Amazon holiday deals, these next minutes could save you big. From smart home gadgets to must-have tech, I've found 20 items that deliver real value. Not all deals are created equal, so I've sifted through the noise to find what's actually worth your money. We're talking robot vacuums, tablets, and more, products you'll still love months from now. Welcome back to Tools and Decor USA, your go-to for top Amazon finds. Let's jump into the deals. First up, the BISSELL MultiClean Allergen Liftoff Pet Vacuum. Perfect for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Its sealed HEPA system traps 99.97% of particles, so dust and dander stay out of your air. The liftoff canister turns it into a portable pod for stairs, upholstery, or your car. Specialized pet tools like the Turbo Eraser make cleaning hair a breeze. It's a mid-tier vacuum, but holiday deals often bring it down to a steal. Not the lightest, but for cleaning power and filtration, it's a top pick. Grab it if you want a cleaner, healthier home. Next, the KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper. Small, mighty, and perfect for quick prep. It dices, chops, and purees in seconds, saving you time during holiday cooking. 2 speeds, dishwasher-safe parts, and a drizzle basin for dressings make it user-friendly, affordable, practical, and a great gift for cooks with limited space. A simple tool that makes kitchen life easier. Meet the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Outsourcing chores just got smarter. Its matrix clean navigation covers every inch, while object detection avoids shoes and cords. Voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant adds hands-free convenience. During the holidays, it keeps floors clean, so you can focus on family. Holiday sales make this premium robot much more accessible. Occasionally gets stuck, but its advanced navigation minimizes hassle. Invest in more free time and a cleaner home. For family fun, try Monopoly Junior Trucks Edition. It simplifies classic Monopoly for kids. Buy trucks, collect rent, and learn counting. Fast-paced, easy to play, and perfect for short attention spans. Cute truck tokens and quick setup make it a hit for family game night. Affordable, and often discounted during the holidays. A great way to create screen-free family memories. Upgrade your video calls with this 1080p Full HD webcam. Sharper image, wide-angle lens, and light correction make you look professional. The physical privacy cover gives peace of mind. Huge improvement over built-in webcams and very affordable during sales. Great for remote work, classes, or family chats. The mic is basic, but video quality is the real win. Wrinkled clothes on the go? The HiLIFE portable steamer is your fix. Heats up fast, works on most fabrics, and is gentle on clothes. Compact and lightweight, perfect for travel or quick touch-ups at home. 9-foot cord gives you flexibility. Affordable, practical, and a top seller for a reason. Small water tank, but ideal for a couple of outfits. A must-have for travelers and busy families. Breathe easier with the LEVOIT Core 400S air purifier. Covers large rooms, uses true HEPA and carbon filters to trap allergens and odors. Smart sensors auto-adjust for air quality, and app control adds convenience. Sleep mode keeps it quiet at night. Holiday deals make this premium purifier more affordable. Replacement filters are an ongoing cost, but the health benefits are real. Track your health with a budget-friendly fitness tracker. Steps, calories, heart rate, sleep, and even blood oxygen, 24/7. Multiple sport modes and sleep insights help you stay on top of wellness. Great gift for anyone wanting to be more active, without the smartwatch price. App isn't as polished as premium brands, but the value is unbeatable. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus is a big screen tablet at a great price, huge 13.1 display, 256GB storage, and smooth performance for streaming work or play. Integrates with Samsung devices and runs Android for full app access. Feels premium, but costs less than Apple's big iPads, especially on sale. Not flagship level specs, but more than enough for most users. A wow-worthy gift for tech lovers. Upgrade to the Fitbit Sense 2 for advanced health tracking. Tracks steps, sleep, heart rate, and adds ECG and stress sensors for deeper insights. Stress management tools and skin temperature monitoring set it apart. Perfect for someone serious about wellness. Holiday deals make this premium device more accessible. fewer smartwatch features than before, but battery life and health focus are top-notch. Choose this for a health-first wearable. Transform your TV with the ULTIMEA 5.1 Chocolate soundbar and Dolby Atmos, full surround sound, wireless subwoofer, and up-firing speakers for immersive audio, brings theater-quality sound home at a fraction of big brand prices. Simple setup, huge value, especially during holiday sales. Audio isn't as refined as ultra-premium systems, but the experience is unbeatable for the price. Perfect gift for movie lovers. Decorate with ease using a 4FT Prelit artificial Christmas tree, perfect for small spaces, apartments, or as a second tree. Pre-strung lights save time and frustration, just assemble and plug in. Reusable year after year, saving money and hassle. Affordable, especially with holiday discounts. No pine scent, but add a candle for the full effect. Share memories instantly with the Frameo digital picture frame. Send photos from anywhere via app, no SD cards needed. Large 15.6 screen and 64 GB storage hold thousands of photos. Keeps families connected, especially grandparents. Easy setup, great value, and a heartfelt gift. Needs to be plugged in, but the joy it brings is worth it. For gamers, the AULA Win68 HE keyboard is a standout. Hall effect magnetic switches mean customizable actuation and rapid response. Compact 60% layout saves desk space and looks sleek. RGB lighting and solid build make it a premium feeling upgrade. Some keys require function shortcuts, but the performance is worth it. Matching Christmas pajama sets from the Children's Place are a holiday tradition. Fun prints, all sizes, and cozy fabrics for the whole family. Perfect for photos and creating festive memories. Affordable and often on sale for easy family gifting. Check size charts before ordering for the perfect fit. The Hoshanho Japanese high-carbon steel knife is a chef's dream. Razor sharp, holds its edge, and versatile for all kitchen tasks. Hammered finish prevents food sticking. Ergonomic handle for comfort. Premium quality at an accessible price, especially on sale. Needs hand washing, but serious cooks will love it. Create a relaxing home with the Home Week's Essential Oil Diffuser, ultrasonic mist, customizable scents, and soothing LED lights. Doubles as a cool mist humidifier, great for dry winter air. Affordable, safe, and a thoughtful gift for any room. Simple, effective, and helps make home a sanctuary. For creators, a budget digital camera with autofocus and 4K video is a game changer. More control and better optics than a phone, in a compact package. Flip-out screen and included memory card make it ready to use out of the box. Great for teens, travelers, or anyone starting with photography or vlogging. Not pro level, but unbeatable value for beginners. The Laura Geller Baked Starter Kit is a beauty lover's dream. Includes foundation, blush, highlighter, and more in travel sizes. Silky, radiant finish works for many skin tones and ages. Great value, especially during holiday sales. Just check foundation shades, but most kits are forgiving. The Ninja DZ401 Foodie Air Fryer is a kitchen powerhouse. 2 baskets let you cook different foods at once, perfect for big meals. Smart finish syncs cooking times, so everything's hot together. 6 cooking functions and huge capacity make it versatile. Large footprint but worth it for families or entertainers. Grab it on sale for the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Quick recap. 20 top Amazon holiday deals from cleaning and tech to family fun and home upgrades. For gifts, go for tablets, soundbars, or matching PJs. Broad appeal, big impact. Upgrading your home, air purifiers, vacuums, and diffusers are smart picks. For unique gifts, try the gaming keyboard digital frame or chef's knife. Prices change fast. Check the links below for the latest deals. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching Tools and Decor USA. See you next time.